Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit a comments in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open one PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and select Home option and select here, select Annotation. Now click on this comment option and click on this comment and select. First let's edit this comment box. You can rotate this comment box and see this, and click right button for and select properties. You can change this comment box thickness 8 and this border style you can change. This fill color you can change it, and this border color, and this text box transparency. And now double click on this text box and select control A. You can change this text color, you can make it white, you can change font size and make it 12, and font style you can make this text bold, italic, underline, strike through, numbering, and so on. And I'll change this text box rotation, and also you can increase decrease this text box font size. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.